Welcome back to Automotive TV's YouTube channel, where we provide you with the latest and greatest vehicle information. Today, we're counting down the top 5 safest pre-owned vehicles with the best crash test ratings. If you care about safety as much as we do, you'll want to stick around until the end to discover the #1 safest pre-owned vehicle to buy. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming videos. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the Mazda CX-5. This stylish SUV has earned impressive crash test ratings from the NHTSA and the IIHS. Its i-ACTIVSENSE suite includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and smart brake support. And with rear cross-traffic alert and advanced blind spot monitoring, you'll always be aware of your surroundings. Next up, at number 4, is the Subaru Outback. This rugged and versatile vehicle is equipped with EyeSight Driver Assist Technology, reverse automatic braking, and STARLINK Safety and Security. The Outback has received top marks from the NHTSA and the IIHS, so you know you're in good hands when you're driving this family-friendly car. Zooming into the number 3 spot, we have the Tesla Model 3. With cutting-edge technology and exceptional safety ratings, this all-electric car has taken the automotive world by storm. Its autopilot system offers adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and traffic-aware navigation. Plus, with collision avoidance and Sentry mode, you'll feel secure both on and off the road. At number 2, we have the luxurious Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This elegant sedan is renowned for its innovative safety features like pre-safe, active distance assist distronic, and car-to-X communication. With a 5-star rating from the NHTSA and a top safety pick plus from the IIHS, you can enjoy the ride knowing you're in one of the safest cars on the market. And finally, our number 1 pick for the safest vehicle with the best crash test ratings is the Volvo XC90. This sleek SUV has a long-standing reputation for safety, and its latest model is no exception. With top ratings from both the NHTSA and the IIHS, it's clear that this vehicle is the ultimate choice for safety-conscious drivers. City safety, runoff road protection, and the blind spot information system are just a few of the outstanding features you'll find in the XC90. And there you have it, our top 5 safest vehicles with the best crash test ratings. If you're in the market for a pre-owned vehicle, make sure to consider these top picks for their exceptional safety features and performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Automotive TV's YouTube channel for more unique automotive content. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.